How does the Irish language revival compare to other language revivals globally? If you're curious about how the Irish language revival stacks up against other language revivals around the world, you're in the right place. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. The Irish language, also known as Irish or Gaeilge, has been on a journey of revitalization for over a century. This effort began in the late 19th century with the founding of the Gaelic League in 1893, which aimed to promote Irish as a national language. By the early 20th century, Irish had gained significant momentum, especially after it was declared the national and first official language of the Republic of Ireland in 1922. One of the key strategies in the Irish language revival has been through education. Irish is a mandatory subject in public schools, and there are also Irish medium schools, known as Gaeilge, where the entire curriculum is taught in Irish. These schools have played a crucial role in creating a new generation of Irish speakers, especially in urban areas. Now let's compare this to other language revivals. One of the most successful examples globally is the revival of the Hebrew language. Unlike Irish, Hebrew was a dead language with no native speakers, but was revived in the 19th century and became the national language of Israel. This is the only instance where a dead language has been fully revived to become the primary means of communication for a large community. In contrast, the Irish language revival, while successful in some aspects, still faces significant challenges. Unlike Hebrew, Irish has native speakers, but their numbers are declining, especially in traditional Irish-speaking areas known as Gaeltachta. However, urban areas have seen a resurgence in Irish speakers, particularly among young, well-educated individuals. Another example is the Maori language in New Zealand. Here, the revitalization efforts have been highly effective, especially through early childhood education programs like Kohanga Reo, which are essentially language nests where children learn Maori from a young age. This approach has led to a steady increase in children being taught in Maori schools since the 1990s. The Hawaiian language revival also offers some insights. Like Irish, Hawaiian has seen efforts to revive it through immersion schools and media programs. However, unlike Irish, Hawaiian has a unique situation on the island of Niihau, where the language has never been displaced and is still used exclusively. In terms of global trends, language revitalization often involves a combination of government support, community engagement, and innovative educational methods. For instance, many Native American tribes are using technology, such as language learning apps, to revitalize their languages. Similarly, the Irish language has benefited from media programs, including Irish language television, which has enjoyed particular success. The challenges faced by the Irish language are not unique. Many languages, such as Sanskrit in India and Soyot in Russia, face similar issues like limited use in daily life and the influence of dominant languages. However, the Irish language has a strong cultural and historical significance, which continues to drive its revival efforts. In summary, while the Irish language revival shares some similarities with other global efforts, such as the importance of education and community engagement, it also has its unique challenges and successes. The blend of traditional methods and modern approaches, like media and urban revitalization, makes the Irish language revival a compelling case study in the broader context of language revitalization.